Your boys are the first ones who ended up winning a major football league in Europe. So like nobody has heard about these guys. Bunch of Indian kids go to European nation, start winning 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, boom. They just win.
No, we didn't. We didn't do that. So 2020, when I sold that club, my pivot happened. So when you're going to die one day, Ranjit, you're not going to think about how much money you have in your account. You're going to think of moments. And moments are when you won national titles, when you won this, when you have done big things in your life, maybe your kids, maybe your family. But it's never about the money in your account. Never thinking, oh, मैं मर रहा हूँ, but मेरे 100 crore हैं. क्या करेगा साले, मर रहा है तू तो. But when it came to moments, and I said, okay, fine, I've got internationals. Produce सबसे ज़्यादा कर दी हैं. But साले कर क्या रहे हैं international stage पे? It's not about producing internationals. It's about what your internationals are doing. So one thing was that you can keep निकालोing गाली to the federation, ठीक है? But our kids will ask us one day कि ठीक है, ये federation ने किया, तुमने क्या किया, daddy? What did you do about it? So unless every Indian says, okay, I am going to get India to the World Cup, you're not going to get there. Not just not going to get there. I need everyone's help. With your help, I'll get you there faster. You don't help me, I'll still get you there. But without your help, I'll get you there faster. Everyone has to come up with this thing that is my duty to do it. So मैंने कहा ठीक है, गालियाँ तो मैं तभी भी निकालूंगा इनको, वो तो छोड़ता नहीं मैं. Because you have to keep pushing them. Chief pusher, okay? But other than that, what am I going to do about it? So I'm going to devote my life to get to India to the World Cup. Simple as that. I'm going to get them there. No matter what happens, मैंने करना ही करना है. मैं लेके जाऊंगा, मैं पहुंचा के दिखाऊंगा तुम्हारे को. And I will do it in spite and despite of all the problems. Why? Because I'm proven every day that in spite you can have a war, you can have no stadiums, you can have nothing, and still people are doing it. तो हम क्यों नहीं कर रहे? 50,000, 70,000 के बंदे.
Train them? How do you train your kids?
So then when it started with this, the moment they come in, they have a batch called World Cup 2034 right here.
Okay.
From when they're 7. Okay? So every day they get up with that batch, they're manifested. If this is not what you do, their life is a failure. They have been ingrained and manifested and visualized every single day कि 2034 में तुमने World Cup खिंचाना है, यहाँ पे लोगो लगा हुआ है इसका. Then what do? They are known as the what? वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग लगी होती है, okay, under 17 batch, यहाँ के World Cup batch. They're known as the World Cup batch. They are not known as anything else. They're known as the World Cup batch.
So everybody is known as World Cup batch.
All 200 kids who are on scholarship, I have devoted. That means all the money which I get from my paid programs, 200 kids are on scholarship from all over India. Now I'll tell you why I'm so confident, because अगर जितनी इन 3 countries की population है, आइसलैंड की 3 लाख, इसकी 2 लाख, 50,000, उतने तो मैं ट्रायल पे सिलेक्ट करता हूँ. मतलब कि मैं 3 लाख लोग मेरे हर साल ट्रायल पे आते हैं. All over India, 18, 20, 30 different menus, 40 different menus. We have over 2 lakh people coming. How many do we select? 14, 15. And then we start training them. And then how do we train them? They have eat, like I told you, eat, breathe, sleep, actions, thoughts, and habits and results. From the very beginning, they are the kind of advantage we get is there's something known as Helios, Hyperlab. So there's a laser which keeps on going here, and you're supposed to immediately run to it and put your foot on it. So your decision making and your reaction times. And then you do it on a daily basis to see where you've reached. Then you've got blood flow restriction. So I'll tell you about all the medical things we're doing. So blood flow restriction, BFR hoti hai. Red light therapy, we're doing that every day, every single day with all my athletes because it produces more red blood cells. Every single day, morning they get beetroot shots, evening they get haldi shots. So we Indians don't understand that how far we are in science, in medical science. And something which has been proven for 5,000 years, don't discount it. Now the world's saying yoga, now everybody's saying yoga. So what is yoga? Yoga is flexibility. With flexibility, we Indians don't. Now we know how to we used to know how to sit properly in a squat. These kids don't. They can't sit properly जैसे हम potty कर रहे होते हैं. नहीं बैठा जाता इनसे. And all the injuries come from your ankles and your hip flexors not being tight. Then their complete blood profile is done. Then their force test is done. That means we do gait analysis. That means I will tell you if you are walking straight or not. And then I can predict तुम्हारी injury. So we don't do rehab. We do prehab. I'll predict your injuries. Why? Because every part of your body, suppose you said right here, so your right is definitely stronger than your left. I will tell you the muscle imbalance. So you go to the gym and you're already doing 5 kg wala and whatever, 10 kg wala kar rahe ho. No. The weaker one should be doing 12. This should be doing 10. Why? Because you got to get, or you bloody make this 8, get it weaker. But you cannot have an imbalance. Why? Guaranteed injuries will happen. It will happen not on the weak side, it will happen on the strong side, because that's the side
will take more load.
Compensating for that side. So that is one. Then after that, we'll tell you in the left and right, this is 60%, 40% muscle in your hamstring here, 60% here. Or glutes mein. Yeah, इसमें कितना तुम्हारे percentage muscles का difference है. Then after that, we do for recovery, we have compression boots. We have things like the massage guns. We have 4 massage therapists. For the 2 things which nobody works on and underestimates, and it's the most important thing, is the best muscle and the most important muscle in your body, which is the brain. And apparently we use only 2% of it. So training the brain to be at that state, and not just, for example, instead of avoiding it, we go to the worst place they can. So we've got 4 sports psychologists there on board. I mean, they live there with the kids. We don't avoid, what if we lose the final? We tell them, you've lost the final. Now think what is going to happen. What is the worst thing? So they think about it. They go to the worst thing which can happen. Whenever I see a situation, I go to the worst thing which can happen. And I always think of, okay, I'm going to die. So once if you think that you can handle that, then you can handle anything. And what do we do? Look, कहते हैं ना यार ऐसे ना करना कि तुम final हो रहा है, don't talk about it. नहीं final हो रहा है, don't talk about winning. वो ऐसे हो जाता है. We celebrate 3 days before the final.
That we are
champions. I'll send you videos of my senior team celebrating. You celebrate 3 days before, your brain already thinks that you've done it. Your brain can be see, the brain is so easy to fool. It can be rewired in any way you want. You can go into a deep spiral. Why? Because you can say that, okay, I'm depressed. And your brain will think that's true. You're depressed. And you will keep on rewiring it, and those connections will keep becoming stronger. The same way, if you keep telling yourself you're the best in the world, you don't become the best in the world. People understand that. But what happens is you start believing in yourself. The moment you start believing in yourself, that's when you start having more confidence. Your confidence comes from the amount of work you put in. People say, oh my God, confidence. Confidence nahi hai, because your body knows. Because who can't you lie to? Yourself. You can't lie to yourself, and you know you're crap. If you are the world number 1, you'll be confident. Why? Because I'm world number 1, or I'm that good in my sport. So why do you think I'm that confident whenever I go? And I say, I'm going to beat their ass. क्यों? मैंने एक स्पीच दी लिवरपूल से पहले, वो बहुत वायरल हुई. और मैंने कहा हमने उनको ठोकना है. कहीं वहाँ पे मैं ठुक के आ जाता तो कौन वायरल करता स्पीच? I knew it that we were going to do it, because then another thing what I do, I use anger. So people think it's a wrong thing to do and it's the opposite. No. Angry. Because if you make an athlete angry and you give direction to that anger, you can't have an anger and make it like flooding anger inside, then you can't, and then you're reckless, then you don't know what you're doing, and then anger. Why? Because that's the only performance anxiety state, anger, where it is outside. You direct everything outside. There are no questions about, okay, how am I looking? Am I doing it right? Doubts, self-doubts, and nothing happens. Why? Anger. That's the most primal human instinct. Survival comes in. In the most primal instinct, the last thing you're thinking about, वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहा है कि मैं ठीक लग रहा हूँ कि नहीं लग रहा हूँ, वो सोचते नहीं हो. The only way you can stop thinking about anxiety, stress, and nervousness, be angry. Be very angry. Be very angry at someone, at an opposition, at a result, at someone. Direct your anger. Make sure you will never have stress, anxiety, or anything else in your life. Why? Because it's outward. It's not towards you. Every other performance anxiety state is inward. And people say the opposite. Angry. And this entire thing started with me having to prove to myself that, anything is possible. I truly believe we are limited by our belief in ourselves. All of us, no matter who you are, man. I believe success is a choice. Why? Is discipline a choice?
Yeah.
Whose choice? Our choice. Is effort a choice?
Yes.
Is hard work a choice?
Yes.
Success is a choice, man. What else? It doesn't depend on your father, your mother, how rich or poor you are. Yes, if you're rich, you might have to work a little bit less. You still have to work. If you're poor, you'll have to work more, but you still get there. These are all excuses. You've said this, that your current state is a manifestation of all the physical excuses or excuses you believe to be true. Believe to be true means that you are listening to what society has been telling you, that these are the limitations of a normal person in you. And you believed it. You set your limitations, you set your beliefs. And if you believe, you actually truly, with all your thing, believe, no one can keep you from it. But you have to just work. मतलब के कुछ है ही नहीं, और ब्लाइंडर लगा के और करना ही नहीं है. ये करना है क्या कि सुबह शाम, nothing else. No one can fucking stop you. There's no power in the world which can stop you.